Hello and welcome to this video. Today we're taking a look at the Vitamix. This is the 5200 model. They all work pretty much the same. They all have an incredibly powerful motor. They've got a really strong blender pitcher on there with really nice strong blades, as you can see inside there. And these things are really universal. You can do a ton with them. My favorite thing to do is to make a nice green smoothie with them, but you can also make soups, you can make dishes, all kinds of things. Today we're going to make some applesauce in the demo, but I just want to show you real quick just how powerful this thing is and how to operate it. When you turn it on, you do have two options. You can either go high or you can go variable. I prefer to do it in the variable way so that I got control over it. So if I turn it on and I'm at 1 right here, it spins relatively slowly. If I turn it up to 2, 3, 4, 5, super fast. So with that being the case, I like to be able to have control over it because it's very powerful and very fast. Let's just take a closer look at that here. That's speed 1, that's speed 4, that's speed 7, and it goes all the way up to 9. So let's turn that back off for now. Let's go ahead with our demo and make ourselves some applesauce. That's what we're going to do today. All right, so it's very simple. And by the way, this is a smaller pitcher. You can get smaller pitchers, larger pitchers. I prefer to use a smaller one because it's just a little bit more ergonomic for me and fits better underneath a kitchen counter. Anyhow, to make this recipe, it's very simple. All we're gonna do is put in 3 apples. I've got them quartered and I got the seeds removed. 2 tablespoons of lemon in there. And we've got to put in a tablespoon of honey as well as a tablespoon of cinnamon too. There we go. These are Honey Crisp apples, by the way. So they're already a sweet and tangy at the same time apple. So they're gonna make a nice applesauce for us. I would say that's about 1 tablespoon right there of cinnamon. And now, let's watch the Vitamix work its magic. The recipe says to start off slow, quicken it up for about 60 seconds. Turn it on, slow. All right, we're also gonna need to use our masher. And there we go, already finished. Nice and fresh. Take a look at that. Pretty nice. So, we have got our own homemade applesauce. That looks good. And that's gonna be tasty on some pancakes. And how about a taste test? Let's see how the applesauce turned out. That is very good. Of course, very fresh, nice texture to it. You can tell that it's been freshly pureed. Good cinnamon flavor and good tanginess as well. So all in all, a Vitamix, very interesting tool. I think something very good to have in your kitchen because it is so universal. You can do so many things with it. I hope this video is helpful for you and I wish you a good day. Thanks for watching.